This is the strap clamp hinge, which is used on the strap clamp body, connected onto it, in order to lock the strap onto the strap clamp body's walls in order to prevent any adjustment of the harness. To begin this sketch, you begin with a sketch on the front or top plane with dimensions of a 2.5 by 2.75 rectangle. Once that sketch is done, you extrude it upwards by 0.75 centimeters, giving you this rectangle, or this box. After that, a plane was created, show plane, this plane here, by selecting the edge, the far left bottom edge, as one of the first reference planes, and then this face as the second reference plane. Then 135 degrees was made for that plane, and the offset was then flipped. After the plane, a boss extrude within that plane was created by creating a sketch of 3.5 centimeters upwards and the same length of the previous sketch, which was 2.75, I believe. Yep. Then it was extruded by 3 or 0.75 centimeters, as similar to the last extrusion. Next, extrude of a circle here through a sketch on the front plane of the part, which the circle is 1 centimeter diameter and 2.5 centimeters from this top edge. This circle is then extruded 2.75 centimeters to the other side of this part. After that extrude, a cut through the circle is made through a circle of 0.75 diameter lined up with the previous circle. Then that cut was made through all, creating a cut through the other side. After that, the teeth were made for a total of 3 teeth. 1, 2, 3. And this was done by starting the cut here 0.5 from the top plane, going up to the top, the far right corner of the piece, and a distance of 0.23 from the right plane. This is then repeated several times until it reached here. After that, to finish off the other cuts, the piece was then mirrored by creating by mirroring it over the front plane, creating the rest of the teeth. After that, a cut extrude on the rectangle made on the created plane 1 was made in order to signify where you press down onto this hinge. This was made by a rectangle that is parallel to the other box, but inside the other rectangle, with a distance of 0.25 centimeters from each corner.